What is good? This is recording, right? Yep. Alright, so this is the first PA GoPro vid. Today on the agenda, we and JJ are going to be riding those mopeds in there. I'm not sure how good the camera looks or if it's bad. But after that, I want to take the dirt bike out to this field. It does not prepare the hood. Wait, I gotta look in the mirror again. Alright, we're good like that. Alright, so we got a moped started. Other one's still starting. These are like a little old 80's mopeds. We just like go up and down with them. Yeah, it's good. Yep.
Nothing stupid.
Yeah.
Slow. Listen, they do 2025, but they're squirrely, okay?
Yeah, I know.
So let's not do 2025. We got brakes on both of them or no?
Yeah. The brakes work.
That one, the brakes are sketchy. Are they working front and back?
Yeah. Well, front.
Let me see.
Yeah, front's fine.
Let me
Rear's
see.
fine. Yeah, they're fine. Yeah, they're fine. Alright, so now we're just gonna be whipping them up and down the field. Go. Puppy. Go faster. The speedometer works on this one, I think. Fucking this thing's rubbing. Downhill time. Oh shit. These had like really like dull like road tires, and now they have we put knobby tires on them. That one. There's two. She's taking a video. It was reading something. I can see it. I gotta use this thing like an actual scooter. No! Let's do bumper bikes. So this thing has no front brakes, look. It has rear brakes. I gotta fucking bounce on the seat. Makes it go faster. No, it doesn't. This is trying to get fucking mad. I can't do that. I'm gonna bust my ass. No, slow down. Oh, maybe we gotta slow down. Oh, no, we're good. Yeah, that was a nice corner. Oh, Tony. We're not Tony. I'm going directly against my dad's orders. Oh, there's hella mud there. Let's go down there. Ow, my foot. There's little kids and dogs. Oh my god, oh shit. Like these are all little ruts from before. We're not allowed to go down there. It's been, I don't know, they've been digging it up. Gosh, this is gonna be annoying. It's so muddy. Really crazy. Oh my god, I can change it. It is stuck down there.
Kids playing right
Yeah, I see that.
So, listen, don't go past Johnny's. Just stay this tree and up.
Alright.
Go help JJ. Nice and slow though. The kid's getting ready to go off. Alright, he's coming.
We have switched mopeds. I'm on the one with this. I don't know if you can see that, but it's over there. So spiking. This one, oh, wait. Usually when there's a light in there, usually when it lights up, that is the speedometer. The speedometer used to work on this. There's a speedometer on that one. This one has a horn now. And well, it used to have turn signals, all that crap, but my parents took them off when they were younger. Oh my god, there's a lot of cars. Yeah, you can tell this one's a little bit more rusted up, a little bit more older, beat up. Oh, I took that clean. There's this field, kind of like this one, but bigger. And when it rains, it gets really sloppy. And I was doing like donuts with my dirt bike earlier. And I want to get some GoPro footage into that. Like, I'm beating this kid. I'm standing. Okay, I don't trust these feet pegs. On that one, the feet pegs like shake around a lot. I don't trust it for nothing. Shift. Gotta increase aerodynamics. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go through the mud. Race. Oh, that's nasty. Alright, we're gonna take a few more laps, and I'm gonna go on my bike. I don't care what you do here. Oh yeah, nice station. Please start. Sorry guys, if you don't. Yes sir. Oh shit. Oh really? Oh my god, he's all the way up there. Oh, I was just 80. We're not gonna go! It's because you're lighter. I weigh fucking 20 pounds under here. 20, 30 pounds under here. I watch a movie if I get that picture. Oh, the angle. I thought I was about to sit. Oh, you're done. You're done. You're done. You're done, boy. You're done. You're done. Slow down. You gotta get in trouble. You don't get in trouble. I wanna watch that movie. Yeah. Fear. Oh, that's a hole. Oh yeah, we cut this corner and lean around that corner. These bearings are already shot. Yeah, you're done. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Thank you. Good for you. Some leaves. Shit, this is about to be muddy. Oh shit. That shit just slowed me down. I'm gonna see a bunch of mud. Yo, type in the comments if you fuck with Eat. I strapped a speaker to my dirt bike earlier. I was playing some Eat. I'll probably do it when we go to Blue Field. Which is that field we're gonna ride. Pull up. That might be Eat. I don't know if I haven't been listening to Eat for too long. Yeah, where are you, boy? Yeah. And he's about to wheelie up this road. I want to watch a movie. Okay, I got nothing. Get out of my way, boy. Get my way. Oh. Yeah.